Okay, hello guys, uh, welcome back. And today we will build Instagram Reels. So I don't have idea how we will build that. Okay, so and we will build that using React Native. So this is not an introductory video of React Native. So you can say this is more advanced video for React Native. You can consider like advanced because there are things like text, images, views, and all those stuff for basic React Native introduction and what is React Native and all those stuff. But maybe I will do that in later videos. So for now, I will just go and try how we can build Instagram Reels in using React Native. So I don't have any idea how we can build that, right? So I will just let's try. If it works, then I will upload video on YouTube. If it won't work, okay. Yeah, it's a React Native. So React Native. So I'm not showing here how to set up and all this stuff. I will just do uh, where are this is how to start it. No, this is 62. I think. Introduction. This is prerequisites. Blah 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 things. Android developer nodes. Okay, there was somewhere where we can just install. Oh wow, this is good. Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe we can just do like this. npx React Native init also. Let me just check environment setup. Okay, so this is for expo and we will go for so we'll go for CLI. So these are installation steps and this is project. So this I will go init. Okay, so I can say here real breaks. It will take some time. So until that, we will just make some research. So what do we need for reels? So reels are basically videos, right? So for videos, we need a video player, right? We don't have any video player in React itself, or maybe we have. I don't have any idea. So React Native video, or we can select video player, maybe. Okay, maybe video player. Video. Let's try. So what is this video player? Okay. So I think this video player is built upon this React Native video. Yeah, because we have this dependencies here and React Native vector icons also. Okay. Okay, I think we can go with this. So what we require is obviously this or all this. Yes, we require vector icons. So in React Native, for icons we use React Native vector icons. So yes, we need this. Let's check it done. No. So yes, that's all we need. and some real links, right? So I think I have to get some real links. So let me share or get some real links. So I think I should get I will say related to what? Yeah, I think this is good. So we have to share this link, copy link, paste. Then we have, let me just check, can you play those? First of all, let me just do this and uh, yes, means we can play this, but we have to check. Okay, let's see. Okay, there is this. Okay, just taking time. So yes, it is taking too much time. Okay, okay. So yes, man. So I have to share my mobile on screen, right? Because emulator is not that great. My PC is not that great to handle emulator. So we'll go with this. And then we have to just this. Let's try. Okay. Just taking too much time. Okay, finally it's done. So let's go and okay, let's first install this. Wait, because we need this. I don't know how much time it will take to complete this project, but let's see. It will be fun for sure. So let me just open my share. Share, share document. Let's see. So that we can discuss what we need to do. Uh, okay, I think download. Okay, so just open this. So this is Rails. Okay, so what we need here? We need one. Okay, first we need background video. Okay, so let's first do that. After that, we need on that background video one button. We can say like this is one div, or we can say this is one view. In that view, we want back button, and this rails and camera is like space bit. Okay, like space bit. And here we need one, you can say like username, their icon, or you can say profile, then status, or you can say uh, caption, and more. Okay, more is like nothing but this. And this is song name, which is song, actual song playing. And we need like count, comment count, share, and three dot button. So that's it. So I will just make this UI only, not like functionality or comment functionality. So I will just more focus on UI side. So let's try. So let's check first. Okay, just loading, still loading. So let's see. I have to complete this within. Okay, let's set a target. So after this completion, we can just set target. Maybe we can complete this whole thing within 30 minutes. Whole thing within 30 minutes. Let's target that because I think my videos are getting too much because 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes each. Yeah. So let's target that. So I want to edit this video for sure. What I am saying is official. So let's see. Yeah. Okay. It's taking too much time, but hmm. I think I can take it. Hmm. Okay, but okay, finally I think yes, good. All dependencies. What else we need, right? Okay, and that's it. Yes, finally. What the? Okay, so sorry. Okay, first let me go here and then use that command. What happened? Okay, proceeded is after that we have to run this command because package.json in this Rails folder, so it will take same amount of time or maybe less. Yeah, because it is already down within yarn catchy. Yeah, so good. So code dot. So let's open this in VS Code and let's run this. So R is shortcut form. React Native run Android. React Native run Android. So this is my VS Code, and to enable mobile sharing I will use. So first let me just load that app on my mobile. After that I will share my mobile. Okay, this will also take some time. Okay, till that just read our documentation. Okay, so yes, what they say. Okay. Is there any use case? No. Is there any example or something like? Do we have any example? Yes, we have. So we have to pass this URL here. So height width. Okay, we don't need terminate. Yes. So video player with this. Yeah, man. So this okay. So what is this URL? So for testing, let's check. Okay, I can't just play because I'm recording, so I have to just play on my second desktop. What is it? Is it copyright free or not? I think so. Yeah, it is. Common data storage. Okay, means we can go with this. I don't have idea what this is. Okay, fine. I think I just muted myself. Okay. Let's check. Okay, 75%. I want full screen. I don't have idea how to do that. So this is folder structure. Okay, till that I can just not briefly, uh, just explain, right? So it is app.js and this is index. Like in React, yes, we have these files. Both are functioning same, you can say like. But here, index.js is, yes, you can say like both are will function same. There in React.js, in index.js will render component, or we can say render elements or components to index.html, right? But here we are rendering add components in Android and iOS. For that, we have different mechanisms. Okay. So this is Android. If you know Android a bit, the folder structure is same. We have Gradle, build Gradle, and everything here. For iOS, if you know Swift, we have same folder structure. So I think so. I don't know about iOS. So let's go and try this. Okay, we don't need just like this now. Okay, let me just check. Okay, 99%. It is taking too much time. Actually, it take almost 15 and 20 minutes here itself. Run. Okay. Give you permission. Run that. Run. Run, Barry. Run. Okay. So let's say this. Basically, this is Passkey for sharing my mobile screen with desktop. This, as you can see, right? So yes, that's it. Now let's just do like this. And so if I say I don't want this anything, so I will just say don't want this, don't want this. Give me this. Yes. Okay, so we don't have any idea if it is running or not. So in view, I will say text. View is like a div. Okay, if you know div in our HTML, you can consider it like that. So I will say hello world. This is always the first step. Yes, here you can see the hello world. Okay, so let's try and run that. Okay, so let me just go here, not here, and I will just copy this. I will come here, paste. So we don't need this, and this we don't need this too. Actually, this. We need styling, but currently there is no styling. Import from React Native video player, and where is my app? Okay, okay, this is giving me error because it's not imported. Yes, what is it? What happened? Okay, so this problem, I know this problem. So here, what we have to do is, suppose if we go to we are using React Native vector icons, right? So React Native vector icons in React Native vector icons. If we go to where is the package npm. Okay. So here they clearly in where here they are clearly saying that okay, to just go to Android app build. So let me go Android app and we have build one. Here paste somewhere this. So yes, I will do that. After placing this, I will say run this again. Yes, so yes, I will run. So yes, it will run after some time. So till that, just see what we can do to get our full. I think we have full screen. We have full screen somewhere, right? We have autoplay. So yes, we can say that. Okay, now you can see that this play button is here and we have this, but nothing is playing, right? Nothing is playing. So it's okay for now, I think. So let me just give 1 second to check what is going on. So if I go and copy this, I'll copy this URL, and if I back in my app and just replace this with this, do we have any chance of what it is saying? I don't want it. Okay, so let me just move this again. Nothing is playing. Okay, um, nothing is working. Okay, so let's try again and see what we can do to what we can do. Right. At least we want that at least just start video, right? So we don't want like this means. Suppose let me just try my where we can say like three. Just say three videos. Maybe. I don't have any idea, but let's try. So I go here and say this, and I don't want to download this video. I want this to be copied or what? Can you just tell me? Okay, so no, what we can do here? Do you have any idea how to play that video? Okay, let's try to play this because just copy this and let's try to play his video. But if this works, then we can just switch to another thing, right? Nothing is working, man. I can't see anything, right? So let me just switch my some settings first. Okay, maybe you can say that because of network connections. So let me just do my network and let's go to my runs. Okay, got it. So yes guys, that was because of my network was off. As you can see, it is playing now. But yes, okay. So it is playing. But now we don't want this to be like this. We want this to be full, right? So if I say my height dot, let me just go ahead. Can I say full screen or something like that? No. But here, somewhere here, you can see I can say full screen, right? Full screen. So do we have full screen here? Let me just search disable full screen. Not like that. Full screen long days, not like that. Sig bar, not full screen button. Okay, just let me try this first. Okay, so let me go to my this video, and in this video I will just okay, it's fine. So I will just cut this and paste that here. And this video is from React Native video, and the URL or URI what which we need is from here, where from here itself. So we will get this URL, copy and paste here. And good thing to know that we don't have this video in the first. Yeah, we can say we have some style stuff, right? So let's try this style background video. Yes, you can say that this background video. And yes, references for now we don't have a reference, so it is okay. So let's go to app and check. Is it running? So I don't have any idea what is happening here. No sound, nothing. Yes, I think we are getting some sound, but eventually we don't have anything to see here. Why? Because maybe we don't specify width, right? Okay, maybe I have to say width is equal to 1000 and height is equal to 100 itself. Okay, yes. So here we need one which is dimensions. Okay, so for now I will just what is happening. Dimensions. Okay, dimensions dot get screen, right? So here we need const width comma height is equal to this. So yes, we have width is equal to this, width is equal to this, and height is equal to this. And as you can see, this is outside, so we have to take this outside. Okay, so still we have this half screen, right? Split top, right? So we have this, what we can do to this full screen, right? Now just bring this full screen mode. Full screen, but it says platform iOS. Let's try first. Tutorials and say here full screen true, right? Full screen true, then yeah, no, anything. The full screen orientation, maybe orientation is portrait, or maybe landscape, portrait, landscape. Okay, so yes, we don't have anything like that. So how to make this? How to make this full, right? So we don't have any stop button here. So we can make that stop button, but first now we need how to do this, right? For that I need to search here that React Native video full screen vertical, not horizontally. Let's see what they say. Okay, first one is unavailable. So let's try resize mode content. So I will try a resize mode content. Okay, so resize mode content, it will look like, but I will say height is 500. Then maybe I think that video aspect ratio is like this. So I need to find the aspect ratio of the video. Okay, so I have real URL, but let's see if it's playing or not. So I will go here and say like this, and boom. Yeah. So maybe I have to say MP4. No. So maybe what we'll do is first let me get one really one. Or you can select YouTube. YouTube Shorts, where are they? How to get that real URL? Yes, everything. But we need real URL. Okay, maybe we can just download that rail. Okay, let's try that. So I don't have any. I just want to get that real URL. Not real URL. I can select the real URL. I don't want extensions. I don't want anything. Okay, hang over that. Maybe I already have some base. So let's have to use this. Yeah, actually it takes time because this is what is important. I don't think the other things like icon take that much time. So I have downloaded that. I'll just send this to okay. No same. Why we don't have download option here? Okay, so we don't have download option. Okay, okay, we have. Fine. So we get this WhatsApp downloaded. So I'll just copy this and place in my folder, which is in Rails. Okay, where is weekend stuff? Where is weekend stuff? Okay, weekend stuff. In weekend stuff we have Rails. Okay, in Rails maybe I will just create one more. Okay, which is you can select assets, and in assets I will just paste this, and I will say here reel 1. So let's try. So I just paste that mp4 file in assets reel 1. So let's try here. So we can't do like that. So we have to say, wait a minute, this is for can be URL or a local file. So let's check we can pass the local file there, because for image that is not possible, but let's see. If they are saying that we can pass a local file, then let's try. So to know that it is running, I will say text read. So as you can see here, nothing is there. This it is something is here. No, no, nothing is here. Nothing. So I don't think we can pass that like this. Square and pass names. So screen through. So for now, we just comment this. But so maybe I have to say that like this import read from assets. In assets we have mp4, and this read will apply that. Okay, undefined. So either we have to say this like sources, direct source, sorry, direct source. Oh yeah, I think this is working. So we can pass the direct source, and yes. So I built this like, okay, why build this? I cannot say this to string, and can I say where? Why this private? Can I say height? Wait, it is stop. Let me just do this. So yes, it is like this. halfway down. So why it is not full? Why? So can I say this that if I want to give style, then styles dot video is equal to video. For video, I will say width height is full, and rather than this, we'll say flex one. No. So yes, it is. Then we have another parameter that can help me to get that full look. Yes, we have this full auto rotate. Not auto rotate we want. Not auto rotate, not the poster. So resize mode. Let's try resize mode. So we have options like contain. Oh my god! Seriously, guys. I think this is what we need. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so this is good. Let's try another which is cover and see the difference. Oh my god, cover is like, so if you want to see the difference, let's check this. So we have here this gap. Now if I say cover, cover, okay, it's gone, totally gone. So that's what we need, right? Okay, just fine. Yes. Now we want pause, play, and loop. So let's say on loop. So wait a minute. I don't want controls. Let's soon go to real first. I can't stop real, right? So what I need is paused. Okay, pause, pause, not pause. I want loop, repeat. Okay, repeat the video. So I will say the repeat is true because reels get repeated if we don't say anything, right? So let's check if it is repeating or not. Oh, let's see. Yes, yes, it is working. Now I will say our next part is this back buttons and read. So for that I will say view and I will say that header. For now I will say first text as read, and I will say style is equal to styles dot header. So header will be like, okay, position is absolute. Absolute. Okay, here you can see that. Wait, okay. So yes, we did that. And now we want some styling to that array in our text. So you can say style is equal to style dot, you can say like title not. This is real itself. So we can just say here, okay, let me do 1 second. So we don't want this to be here, right? We want this to be one component. So for now I will just create one component as card, because these are cards. Card.js, R and FES. For React we have RFES, oh sorry, RFE, and this is what we need. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Now we don't need this. If I remove this, there is nothing. But if I say card slash, I thought this will give me error because we haven't imported it. So we have to import it. Now in card we have to say here read, and after that if I say read is font size 18, font weight we can say bold, because in 60 and 50 version we can't use that what was that 100, 200, 300 numerical figure. Okay, so yes, we have plenty of things to import. Okay, yes, now it is, yes, now it is good. Now we have vector, so I will say view. In that view I want vector icon. So for vector icon I will go here in Mac and say vector. Okay, so do we have any example of vector icon? This is installation part. Yes, so we have to import this and say name and all, right? So now if I go to React Native vector icons, not npm, their icons, you can select this one. Now I want back back array or back arrow. So back. I think arrow back and icons is good. Or not this. Material icons is not that great. I will go for icon. Arrow back. Yeah, I mean, okay, it's fine. So first just import that. Import icons from React with icons slash icons. We have icons. Name is equal to arrow back and color is white. So what is this? FF and that's it. You can see this small backend. So for now I will say give size is equal to 18. Just check this 18. I think we can just give more, like 22 or 24 maybe. Okay, 24 is too good, and or else we can just increase by 24 or 24 20. Okay, so can give her 20 also, not 20. Okay, fine. So now we want this to be style dot what you can say that flex, or we can select the row. We want this in the row, right? So row is equal to what? For row I have to do simply like this, flex direction row. Okay, that's it. And I think header we need some padding to be 10. Okay, and as you can see, previous name should have some padding horizontal to be 5 at least. This difference. Yeah, I mean you can go for 5 to 10 also. You need it. Yes. Yes, means I can say this. Okay, we have reel, then back. Now we need that button which is look like this. So camera. So let's see where we can find that camera. Okay, now let's try to find the same one. Similar or no, let's go for icon. So I will go for this camera. Yes, these both are simple. I will go for this because that will be easy for icons. Name, the color is also same, and this is also same. So if we go here and see, this will look like this, but we want this to be here, right? So how to do that? For that we have to use, for header we have to say flex direction to be row. Okay, now I will say flex what was it? Justify content space between Yes, yes. Okay, okay, fine. Maybe it is not working as we expected. So what I will do is view. It is very simple. So I will say style is equal to styles dot camera, and in camera I will say position is absolute, obviously. Uh, but this time left 0, not left actually, I will say the right 0. Okay, so this, forget this maybe. I don't know. Width is equal to width. That is not a problem. So yes, I think we can just fix without that camera. So if I say justify content space between. Okay, now it's looking good. So we don't need this camera. So what happened is by default it take a small space because of that. Okay, so we have all this ready to go, and I think I just need more padding from top. So I will say copy this and I will say padding top to be 20. Just go down. Okay, this is good. So 15 maybe. Okay, so what happened? Okay, so yes, it is looking good actually. Now we need this and this. So first we will cover this, then we will go further. So yes, so we need one icon. So for that, this is header. Now we need view. Okay, this is taking too much time, so I just need to cover up fast. So this is styles.footer. So styles.footer is like, okay, I'm the footer. In footer I will say, okay, I know you are footer, but I want her to be position absolute. Yes, because we need over this. So in this I will say image src is equal to, not src, I think here we have source. Let me just put this image, we have source. In source maybe I think we have URI and boom. So let's pass some URI. So I don't have any idea. So I will say for now I will take some random pick. Whatever, say I will just say copy URL. Where is copy image address? If I just paste that. Okay. So we have that image address. Okay, so now I want this to be style as styles dot what is this? And profile pic, or you can select profile icon, right? So I have to say here that yes, this is profile icon, and I'm this width this to be 100, height needs to be great. Okay, so yes, you can see here Pikachu right here, right here. But I will say a resize mode. Resize resize mode will contain. Okay, so yes, or maybe it is okay. Resize mode, and we need border radius to be 10, or we can select 50. I think we have to make this 25. Okay, right, because this one needs to be 50, 50. Yeah, now it is looking good, but we want that part to be bottom, at the bottom. So bottom 0, or we can say bottom to be 10, or we can click 50, and we need same padding. So I will just say copy this, and rather than padding top, I will say padding bottom. Okay, so this is what we have, a Pokemon image, and after that we need name. So yes, we have that row class there. Style is equal to styles dot row, and here I can say text as what is my channel name? Is Mr. Matthew. This is 2. Okay, this yes, this is all good. In row, like selection row, I want align atoms also to be center. Okay, and this is text, so I will say style. So I have to style here like a username. So there are lots of style because yes, it is all depends on styling. So username is like I will say font size to be 14, some padding horizontal to be 5. Can go for 18. It is looking too much big for me, so I will say 14. And what else we need? Which is bold. And okay, so we want this font weight to be bold. If I check this, as you can see, this is bold. And I think this is also lower, means not 50. I can make this to 40. Yes, and if that's true, then we can just make this clear. Okay, 12 to 14. I will get this 14. And what else? Next part is this. How cool is that? Okay, so this is English. Then I will say view have. In that view, I will say text. How cool is that? And same like username, I will say here caption, and in the caption I will say, okay, I know this is the caption, so make this 14. Make this padding, um, padding of 5 from all the sides. This will look something like this. How cool is that, right? And just you can add some dot 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 and more. Okay, so that is just one point. And now we want this uh, image, or you can select song name. So first, for now, I will just use that song name like this, simple. Yes. Uh, what was the song name? So I will say Mr. Mephisto original. Mephisto original. So if I just go back and see this and see this, yeah, I mean it is quite good, but we want that sound. So I will just go here and say song. Okay. We can select bait or something like that. What we can say to that? I don't have idea what was that icon. A bait, a slide, tune, or let's try tune. It's not tune like this. Okay, maybe we can just go for this. This is looking good for me. But let's try let's this beat maybe. This is hard beat. Okay, so what is this song? This is song, right? So song. Let's try to find that icon. Is that same icon? Please. So let me go to my icons. Because I think if there are any chance that I can find something in that icon. So, okay. So let's try to find that. If I won't get, then I will go for that song icon. But let's first do my icon. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Let us. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. We can just. Can we go for this? Okay, can we go for music name? So remember music no. Right. So let's try music, 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 music. Mm, okay, I think this is good. Musical note sharp. Oh, right. Or you can select musical notes. So I go here. Okay, icons name is equal to musical notes, and after that we just need to copy this, and I just want to make this dual, uh, dual, and this is also row. So I will say style dot or styles dot, and here also you can just say boom boom boom. Right now we want the most important part, which is this. Okay, so let's try this. So we can just separate out all those components, but for now this is just a small project, so I will just making, so I will say view, actually this is not in footer, right? This is not in footer, so we need another thing which is view, and you can say style is equal to style dot sidebar, and that's it. For now I will use this here, and sidebar will be like, okay, I am the sidebar, and as always I need position to be absolute, but this time I want right to be 10. Yes. And also from bottom it 50, make it 50, and also these things, right? So first one is heart shape. So let's see if we have heart. Okay. Like this. Okay, there we have. Okay, this is, I don't like this kind of. So let's try. Okay, let's go for this. Let's go for this. And I will say here 24, and most important, or we can say 30 also. Then most important thing is we can say view as first icon, then we have text, and we can say like 200, right? But you can say style is equal to styles dot uh, styles styles dot icon, uh, icon info, or you can select icon info, fine. Icon info, and I will say here icon info as this. What? So let's first show you what it looks like. So you can see like this. Okay, so for that we can just say align atom to be center. Let's try. Yes, that works fine. That's what we need. And let's see which other icon we need. Comment, share, and that trigger. So we have comment. So yes, we can just say comment font also. So we have to go here, font awesome, font awesome, uh, copy, paste, this is font awesome, and this is comment O. So as you can see, we don't have exact same comment O. Let's check. Yes, but we want some padding, right? So in comment info, I will say padding vertical be 10. Yes, now it is looking good or decent. And now we want share. Share. Where is that aeroplane? So can you say aeroplane? Arrow or something like that. No man, this is not that. So we can say kite, not share itself. Yeah, I think that was here, but the name was different. I just forgot. Mm, what was that? Plane. Okay, plane, right? Plane. 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 Yes, finally got it. So plane O. So we don't need this, and this is our plane O. Okay, let's check this, guys. Yes, we have all this. Now we want another thing, which is three dot. So what we can say to this? Dot. Okay, so where is this? Do we have three dots? Okay, maybe this or material icon, commit icons. Okay. So let's try this. We want another thing which is only for so material community icons and material community icons. We have to copy this and vertical dots. We have to say vertical dots here. And we have to say material community icons. I do think good. Okay, finally it is completed, guys. Yes, finally we did it. UI for this app. Okay, it look like actually it is looking something like this. So for advanced, we can do something like. So for now we have this card only. So I will say cons data is equal to 1 2 3 3, and suppose if I say flat list, a flat list, a flat list will be from this React Native, and in this flat list I will say data as data and render atom as car. Okay, so render item is a card. Then we say atom, but it is not scrolling, right? So to scroll this, we have to make this view and this in this view. Okay, hey guys, this is scrolling. But as you can see, we can scroll like this, right? But what we want is, suppose if I say this, then just stop there, right? Stop before the next string, right? Suppose if I just say after this, it must be, but I think we can do this in our next video. I think for now it is cool. Actually, I like this. Yeah. So yes, maybe you can say there are some few changes. Like suppose if I go to my card and the footer section will have some more padding or so this footer, right? You can just say 80. Okay. Now if this is 80, then I will just say button is also 80. Okay guys, this is dope and I like it. So I think this is 2015 to just increase more padding. Yes, so we can just change some more URLs there and play with it. Okay, for now I think let's keep as it is because it's almost uh, 1 hour 30 minutes video. And thanks for watching this video. And it's quite fun for me to do this. Okay, so thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So next time I will play around with it more if I get time. So yes, this is just a fun. I hope you get idea about it, how it works. This is all the code. Okay, so at the last, if you want to check this code, then just I'm just scrolling slow. You can just stop and pause this video. Okay, at the end I will surely upload this on Github. So yes, here we don't have anything. So just okay. Bye. Good night. Just,